respire. Does anybody feel humans are unique from other organisms? Unlike other animals, humans possess many cognitive abilities such as a full-blown language, capacity, reasoning and planning abilities. And yes, these entire characteristics make human unique from other organisms. In human beings, air is taken in through the body through the nostrils, that is the nasal cavity. The air passing through the nostril is filtered by fine hair-like lining with mucus. From here, air passes through the throat and then into the lung rings of the cartilage present in the throat ensures that air passage does not collapse. Within the lung, the passage divides into smaller and smaller tubes which finally terminate in balloon-like structures called alveoli, singularly called as alveolus. The alveoli provide a surface where the exchange of gas can take place. The walls of the alveoli contain an extensive network of blood vessels. Have you ever observed or felt the visible pattern of changes in your body when you inhale or exhale gases? When we breathe in, that is inhalation, we lift our ribs and pattern of diaphragm and the chest cavity expands. Because of this, air is sucked into the lungs and filled in the expanded alveoli. The blood brings carbon dioxide from the rest of the body for release into the alveoli, and the oxygen in the alveolar air is taken up by the blood in the alveolar blood vessel to be transported to all the cells in the body. When we breathe out, that is exhale, the ribs are relaxed and the diaphragm is enlarged and the chest cavity is contracted. What happens when you don't respire for few seconds? There will be no exchange of gases. Do a person die when he does not respire for a minute? No. This is because during breathing cycle, when air is taken in and let out, lungs always contain a residual volume of air so that there is sufficient time for oxygen to be absorbed and for the carbon dioxide to be released. The mode of respiration varies greatly from organisms to organism depending upon the size. When the body size of animal is large, the diffusion pressure alone cannot take care of the oxygen delivered to all parts of body. Instead, respiratory pigments, hemoglobin, take up oxygen from air in the lung and carry it to tissue which are deficient in oxygen before releasing it. Hemoglobin have a very high affinity for oxygen. Since carbon dioxide is more soluble in water than oxygen, it is mostly transported in the dissolved form in our blood. Hemoglobin is a protein which is present in red blood cell that carries oxygen to your body's organ and tissues and transport carbon dioxide from your organ and tissue back to your lungs. The hemoglobin count is an indirect measurement of the number of red blood cells in your body. When the hemoglobin count is higher than normal, it may be a sign of health problem. Hemoglobin count varies from person to person. Here is a chart of a normal hemoglobin count of an adult male and a female and child.